Hi everybody, my name is Matt.Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Today to show you a new Rockwood. This is an awesome rig. This is an A-frame trailer, and the thing I like about A-frames is they're good in all kinds of weather, hot, cold, and different. And they're very, very lightweight to tow. Easy to set up and down. You don't have to worry about all the canvas things that you do with most folding trailers. So if you want to go into real remote areas, or if you have a small light tow vehicle, this thing is kind of like the ultimate RV. And the other thing that's cool about them is they're really inexpensive. Most people probably spend more on their cell phones and their cable than you'd have to own one of these. So anybody can buy one. Okay, so the thing about this coach, first of all, it's not very big, so it really only weighs a couple of thousand pounds. That makes it towable for everybody almost, but incredibly, it's got a lot of great features. It has a microwave oven, it has a 3-way refrigerator, it's got a nice big 3-burner stove, not a little portable like most tent trailers have, and this box down here, there's a barbecue that you can set up on the outside. Under the bed here, there's a porta potty. In fact, take a look at all the storage there is under here. Now this is just part of the storage area. This mattress is a nice big mattress, and it's heated. So if you have a place where you can plug in, you can thermostat up your mattress just like an electric blanket and really extend your camping season. Also, this is in a down position right now because I want you to see that this can be a bed, and this can sleep 4 people. So if you're a family with a couple of kids or a couple of buddies that like to go on fishing trips, you've got separate sleeping areas, but this also folds up and makes a really nice dinette area. It does have a hot water heater, and it has an onboard freshwater tank, so you can carry water, you can have hot water on board, and it even has an outside shower, which we'll see when we go take a look. It's a really short trip around the inside of this. It's not that big. It does have a nice big ventilation vent here, and it also has an air conditioner and a heat pump and a propane furnace. So I've got 2 sources of heat here. I can heat with electricity or propane, depending on what kind of camping trip I'm on. All right, let's take a look around the outside. Now this one here is a special package. You'll see Rockwood ESP on this logo here, and what we've got is we've got some extra ground clearance and some more rugged exterior features. You also notice we got some real pretty new colors for this year, and if you've been following these at all, I really like the updates. Okay, you see alloy wheels with big oversized tires and especially good ground clearance. As we walk around, we've got a nice grab handle here. You can see that we have storage accesses. This has a storage area in the front, which you can get to from the sides or from the top. And then, of course, when it's closed down, it's still available. You have all the access to storage when the top's up or down in this one. And that's pretty nice. You also see that we've got a roof rack here. So if you have bikes or kayaks, this is all set up and ready to go for you. In the front, we see that we've got dual propane bottles and a power tongue jack. And we've also got a toy lock. If you look right down here, there's a cable lock system, so you can, if you're carrying a bike or a generator or something you want to keep from running off on you, you can secure it with a padlock and this cable lock. I think that's great. Room for 2 batteries, and also this has a feature right here. It's hard to see in the video, but there's a connector for a portable solar panel. So if you want to increase your capacities of your batteries, reinforcing power with solar, you can do that. Right here, connection for a removable power cord for hooking up at camp, hot water heater, and all of that stuff. Here's your outside shower. There's a great compartment here with a drawer that actually pulls out. So there's storage on all 4 corners of this trailer. Now, what I want to show you real quick in the video is how easy this is to put up and down. So follow me. This just takes a second. All we're going to do, first of all, is we're going to split this out like that. Now see, it's like a Dutch door. You could sell snow cones out of here. Right here. Now, this part here, see how light this is? It's easy to put up and down. Doesn't take any big muscles or anything. Anybody can do this. Now, with this one, I grab the door and I just lay this part down like that. close this down. Then I come up here, and just like that, I'm ready to go. So if I'm in a campsite and I want to go out and play and hike and fish, I can lock this down and secure all my stuff inside. It's also very easy to put up. Takes just a second, it's quick. I can do the whole thing in about 20 seconds. Listen, this is just a thumbnail sketch of this new Rockwood ESP 122S a premier folding trailer. It's here at Guaranty RV. I hope you liked the video. My name's Matt.Elliott. If you have any questions or you want to stop by, give me a call. My number is 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.